What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie, and welcome to 2021. It's no surprise to any of us that ever since the pandemic started, Chromebooks have been quite a bit in demand. Most people are purchasing them because most of the time, not always, the price is lower than a Mac or a PC, and most of the time it's a lot easier to use. But those of us that have been using Chrome OS for a while know that there are some tips and tricks that you gotta know in order to be more productive than usual on a Chromebook. So that's what this video is about. Let's get on with the tips. Want a quick way to switch between your open Chrome tabs? Just place 2 fingers on your Chromebook's trackpad, then swipe left and right between your tabs. If you're a person that uses a lot of tabs, this will definitely come in handy. What if you have multiple windows open and want to quickly switch between them? Just press the overview button on your Chromebook's keyboard and you will see all of your windows pop up at once. Then select the one you want to switch to. One question that comes up very often with new Chromebook users is how to take a screenshot. All you have to do is press the Control, Shift, and Overview keys together, and you will see the crosshair indicator to select the area you want to screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of the whole page, just press Control and the Overview keys, and watch your screenshots get saved directly to your downloads. Google provides a very comprehensive list of all the keyboard shortcuts that are available. However, if you just want to quickly find a searchable list built right into your Chromebook, press Ctrl, Alt, and the / for a nifty pop-up. Google includes a very nice collection of wallpapers you can choose from to customize the look of your Chromebook. However, if you are like me and you like hunting for wallpapers online, and want to use them on your device, all you have to do is, from the Files app, navigate to the location where these wallpapers are saved, right-click on the file, select Set as Wallpaper, and voila, your custom wallpaper is now applied. If you are multilingual and constantly switch from one language to the other, you will be happy to know that Chrome OS accommodates this. You can add an international keyboard by going into your Chromebook settings, select Languages and Input, click on Inputs, then add your desired secondary keyboard. As a bonus, flip on the Show Input Options on the Shelf toggle, and now you'll get a nice little switcher right here on the bottom right to make it easier to switch keyboards. Sometimes you just want to find that emoji that perfectly shows your feelings. If you have ever wondered how you can insert emojis on a Chromebook, this tip is for you. Remember the nifty international keyboard switch? Well, in that same pop-up, you also get the option to bring up the Emoji Keyboard. Now your posts don't have to be emojiless ever again. You'll be surprised how many times I've witnessed people getting up from their desk at work and leaving their laptops exposed to prying eyes. It is a very good habit and a security must to lock your computer when you're going to walk away from it. You can accomplish this on a Chromebook by pressing the Any key plus L. Like to work with your apps side by side? You can use Alt plus the left or right bracket key in order to snap a window to that corresponding side of the screen. This tip is very useful for those with larger monitors. Want to have your downloaded files available to you wherever you are? Not to mention backed up to the cloud? Then change the default location of your downloads to a folder in your Google Drive. You can do this by opening the Chrome browser settings, go into Advanced, then find your way to the Downloads section. Click Change and select your preferred folder in Google Drive. Additionally, you can make Chrome ask you every time you download a file, just in case you want to change the location. So now you know how to take your Chromebook game to the next level. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Also, you can watch more of my videos by going here or here, whichever one you like. Thank you for watching.